Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to update the display firmware of your IS10 NMEA 2000 digital touchscreen gauge. Before we begin, it is important to note that updating the display firmware of the IS10 will only alter or add cosmetic features and changes such as new pages and redesigned pages. Any new features to support sentences, for example, will be updated from the MTU firmware. The first step is loading the firmware onto a micro SD card. For this, you must ensure the SD card is formatted. Once you have downloaded the firmware from our website, drag it onto a local drive. The folder within can then be copied onto the root of the SD card. As you can see here, I'm navigating through the pages of the IS10 purely to show a before and after. With the IS10 powered off, you can then place the SD card into the relevant slot on the back of the IS10. Be careful to insert it with the label facing upwards. You will feel a click as it inserts fully. We can then go ahead and repower the IS10 and the process will begin automatically. The blue screen you can see is the firmware being checked and loaded. As you can see here, we do not need to touch or interfere. Once complete, IS10 will reboot. As good practice, power off the IS10 again and remove the SD card by gently pressing it in and then removing it as it releases. You must ensure that the SD card is inserted only when performing the update process, as each time the IS10 is powered on with the SD card inserted, it will perform the update. We will now be able to see the changes that have been made, which in this case is the addition of a dedicated clock page, with the ability to set a time in the absence of an NTK time source. Please note, this feature is still under development, so may appear different upon its release. As always, stay safe and happy sailing.